like it's
Happy out.
yeah, I think it's pretty good. You know what? There's an eel. Like a moray eel. I think you can see his head right there. I remember him being right here. Yeah, you see him, his head sticking out there? Yeah, see his tail on the bottom.
You're right.
There's one on the bottom too.
Right there. That white with brown. The white with
Sophie, where's the fishy? Where's the fishy? Show me the fishy. Where is it? Where is it? Show me. Show me the fishy.
Whoa.
Show me the fishy.
Sure.
No!
There it goes.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.